Hello, this is Turker from AUDAC. In this video, we are going to talk about how to set TouchLink zones. TouchLink is an ingenious system that can be used for creating virtual zones by linking multiple compatible devices with each other. You can do it on your AUDAC Touch or directly from the front panel of your device. By doing that, you can select multiple amplifier channels that can act as one single zone. The main functionalities of TouchLink basically setting up virtual zones by grouping devices or amplifier channels. And for those groups, they can share the input order, not the input source, the volume settings, so with or without volume offset, and mute settings. It's also possible the priority settings, but that will be discussed in another video. So how does it work? How can we create virtual zones with TouchLink? So here we have our SMQ500 today for this example. Let's assume you have your retail shop, right? So we have the women's section, men's section, cashier, the warehouse. So we want to play the same source with different volume levels, different offsets, and we want to control them together, so mute them together, or volume up and volume down together. So we're going to create one single TouchLink zone. Here we have on the left side. So what we can do is to create one single zone, we're going to give them one single unique zone ID. So clicking on this icon, here you can see TouchLink zone. I'm going to call it 1. No volume offset. And for the men's section, again, same TouchLink zone, no volume offset. For the cashier, because I want this place to be a little bit quiet than normal. So again, same zone, same BGM source, same input source. This time with 6 dB volume offset. And for the warehouse, let's say same zone with 3 dB volume offset. That's it. Let's go back to the control screen. So I'm now controlling the number 1. As you can see, they're moving together. And if I mute one of them, they're all muted. And when I put the volume maximum, the cashier goes with -6 and the warehouse -3. That is possible with AMP203 because it is Dante enabled by default. And also when you equip MFA series, SMA, SMQ, PMQ, or VEXU active series with ENI44X, so they are Dante enabled. They are also TouchLink enabled. It's really useful for decentralized solutions, such as, like in this example, retail shop, or it can be a restaurant or small offices. Thank you for watching.